Good morning, student. Today we are going to teach you chapter number 11, Latula, the top first. This story is based on a top, uh, same as you seen picture here in a top with this girls. So this top is the Riya's top. So start this chapter. Latla was a very special top. Red and yellow light flashed when she went round and round. Latla belonged to Riyaz. When the Riyaz play with the Latla, it start like round. Riya made her spin all day. Riya played with the Latula too all day. Latula loved it. Latula also liked it. I am Latula, the dancing top. The dancing top is saying I am Latula. Latula, the name of a top. She sung at the night. Riya left Latula on the table. One night, the Latula left her top on a table. Latula didn't like to sit still. Latula did not like to sit in one place. She hopped down slowly and quickly rolled out of the door. The Latula rolled and got out the door. She began to spin round and round. And she started spin round and round. She flew into the air. Hey, she called. Watch me dance in the air. Who's that? Was the mosquitoes? It's not a mosquito. It's not a bee. Who is it? Asked Granny Mosquito. It's a flying saucer, cried the teeny mosquito. See the light. Flying saucer, fly for the leaves. Granny Mosquito was silly. The Latula laughed. She dropped down and rolled into the living room. The table and chairs were quiet and still. Mum, Latula sung. Latula started a song that's why this Mum. Want to watch me dance? Grandpa sofa opened and eyes. Who is making this noise? He asked it. The shiny little things said the big chair. It's just a top, said the big table. Here in a top saying, I am not just a top. Latla cried. Latla start crying. I am a dancing top. Tops don't dance, they just spin, said the big table. Oh, yes, do, Latla said. You can even move a leg. I can't too. The big table yelled. The big table started crying. You can't do this. Latla flew up and landed on top of the big table. She asked it on its smooth back. Top, cried the big table. It hurts. Latla slid off the table. Catch her yelled the big table. You can't, Latla sung. She flew out through the window. She has run away, screamed the small table. Catch her quite quick, shouted the big table. The big chair opened the door. The big table, come out. The big chair followed. I am coming too. I am coming to the tables and chairs and run out of the door. All except Grandpa's sofa and the dining table. Catch me if you can, Latla hummed. So student, read this lesson with carefully and take care. Thank you class.